Hi guys. And yes, my skin and eye color changed from my previous video. I was a bit lighter and my eyes were blue, but those were eye contacts. I'm actually proud to have brown eyes. And I wanted to try a tan on myself at UHH. Let's just say things didn't work out. Anyways, Bianca is still asleep, so I don't want to make too much noise for her. But it's 5 a.m. She needs to wake up either ways. Oh yes, by the way, today is beach day. Me and my little sister Beyonce are going to the beach. Sorry, I mean Bianca. The sun's rising.
Hi guys, today I'm really excited for beach day. Open the door.
For fuck's sake, no, I'm pooping. We are in the bathroom, turn off that camera. Sorry guys, but we need some privacy. Okay, we are done and ready. Let me show you Bianca's outfit. It's so cute.
To be honest, this is one of my favorite preppy outfits.
Right, let's go.
Oh my days, what a slow runner. Took you long enough.
I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Good boy's a liar, good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya, you're not making money, boy. Good boy's a liar, good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya.
Alright, we are here now, let's go.
Patricia.
No, I'm not going to get you the new Barbie doll.
It's Proussen's as Barbie.
Ye whatever, just eat your food. The sun's fading away. I told you that you eat slow.
Sorry, not sorry, hehehe.
Stop recording, I'm actually drowning.
Oh shit. Anyways, thank you all for watching another video with me and Particia. We hope that you all
Can twerk. Wait, is this actually me? I really look good in any skin color. What skin color should I try next?
How about this? Move.
Geez, okay. Damn, Bianca, you need to put your forehead here. For sure it's bigger than Shirk's.
Sorry about her craziness. Please like and share. Oh yes, also, we are very sorry about our quality. I know it's really bad. I'm still working on it to look wow, you know, so give me some time to find the right app. I don't want apps where I haver to pay in order to get quality. I want an app that I can use for free.
Okay, guys, bye. Love you to bits.
What? Only bits? Why not to the moon and back?
I just farted.
Okay, guys, bye. To kind of think of it, I should have left her drown.
Matter of fact, scratch that. I'ma see you with statues, cause you fine as hell. And I told them, well, thank you, baby. Anything for my favorite lady. Well, I gotta go. They just let me know that I could pick up my Mercedes.